Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, we have talked about being in a range. We are testing the top of that range. We're over the top of the former all-time high, which is 44.22 half. Traded as high as 25 quarter. Trading 24.75 as I'm doing this, about 7:30 in the morning Eastern time. And what I would say is the bulls are trying to turn the top end of this trading range into support, try to move it up towards 44.50. Whether or not they are successful is going to be what today is about. Now, you've got the jobs report today, 8:30, so in about an hour, you're going to have, you have a potential volatility catalyst. We'll see. It's the volatility out of the jobs report's been pretty hit or miss lately. There have been days where it's really moved. There have been other days where the market just kind of shrugged its shoulders and moved on. Other things are more important, I guess, than the jobs report. Things like, the Fed and inflation and things like that. You don't get the kind of every month vol out of the jobs report that you did maybe a few years ago. And it comes in cycles. I mean, it'll come back. But right now, like I said, it's pretty hit or miss. So I'll be interested to see how charged up the market gets at 8:30 when we have jobs. So you're going to have the market before jobs and the market after jobs. Hourly tape. You can see yesterday, a couple of looks in Globex. We talked about it yesterday morning. How many chances do you get here, here, here to convert weekly pivot? We were still pretty indecisive and range bound. We were getting into Thursday and weekly pivot really hadn't made up its mind. Well, now, in my opinion, it has made up its mind. It wants to be support. So unless you really see something tank because of jobs or something like that, now it's decided it wants weekly pivot. And we've always talked about the concept of, for many years, of whoever wins the battle of the weekly pivot in the first part of the week gets to take advantage of directional days, Thursday, Friday. Well, there was a pretty directional day on Thursday. We did one setup. We were long 44.03, 44.04 area, and we were just in that all day long. We didn't get cute. We didn't try to guess where a short would be. Nothing. It was very boring and very profitable, and I will take boring and profitable every time. So now you get a higher high into Friday. Unless the jobs report screws it up, and as long as the hourly midband supports it, you could get another directional day to the upside today. But like I said, a lot of that depends on 8:30 this morning. But after these three chances, all holding weekly pivot, you have support there now. We mentioned hourly midband is 18.5. Volume weighted average price, VWAP, 44.20. Proprietary moving average in the 22s. 5-minute midband in the 23s, just kind of climbing price. Any retest in the area of 18 to 20 is going to be big. If you're the bears, you want to convert that area, push back down towards the roundy, and try to do a better job with both the 9-day and weekly pivot on the next time through. All right, so jobs reported 8:30. Don't anticipate reaction. Don't game jobs. Don't game big numbers, okay? There will be a number. There will be a reaction. It will create a reaction range. That reaction range will create lower highs or higher lows, a breakout or a breakdown, or it'll just go back to sleep, okay? Trade the breakout, trade the breakdown. Don't overtrade it going to sleep, but don't guess what it's going to do. We are traders. We are not guessers. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic weekend. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Come join the room. Trade them well. Talk to you Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.